After creating business object class in the domain layer, also the methods in the Firebase repository, it moves us towards the data layer. Because again, the abstract classes will not going to work alone. We must have to write their actual implementation also, and this video also contains a task. In order to not miss it, stay in touch and let's get started. So in the previous video, we just create the entity for the reply, and this is the data which we're going to store in the Cloud Firestore database. And we also create the methods in the Firebase repository. Implement the Firebase repository, we create the methods in the Firebase, not in the Firebase but the remote data source here, and also the remote data source implementation is remaining. So what we have to do in here, just to implement these methods in this video, and then after this we'll go for utilizing these methods in the UI. So let's start from this CreateReply. So as I said in the previous videos, first we have to go to the post on the specific post, and then to the comment collection of that post, and then inside this to the comment, specific comment, inside the specific comment to the replies, and there will be all the replies of the specific comment. So first, as this is a future method, make it asynchronous and remove this unimplemented error from here, and copy this comment collection from this update and paste it right here. Change its name to reply collection. And now first we go for the post, and then from the reply dot post id we go to the specific post, and here now we have to again do document reply dot on the specific comment id. We have to access the new collection. This will be Firebase const dot reply. So in this collection we will create the replies of the specific comment. Now next thing in here we have to do what we have done for the create comment. We will copy this new comment from here and remove this print statement from here, and come in the CreateReply, paste it right here. This will be our new reply, and its name will be reply model, but we have not created the model yet. So let's pass this in here and go for the model. Inside this create a new directory, and its name will be reply. Inside this reply create new file, its name will be reply model, and there will be a class of reply model. It will extend the reply entity, open body, and let's go to the reply entity, copy the fields from here with this constructor, and in the reply model paste it right here. Change this name to the reply model, and import the Firebase Cloud Firestore for this timestamp, and also pass these methods in the super. The description will be description, and comment id will be comment id, and that's all. Now next thing in here we have to do is just to create the two methods of from snapshot to JSON, and go to the comment model and copy this method from here and paste it in the reply model right after this, and copy the reply model from here and paste it right here and also in here. So everything is same, only delete this from here, and here post id, creator id, comment id, replicate this. One thing is we have the reply id. Let's count it. 3, 3 and 3 means 9, and there 3, 3 and 3. That's good. Now go to the comment model and also copy this from here. In the reply model, paste it right here. Now replace this total replies with the reply ID. So it becomes really easy for you, right? To create maintainable apps like this. First create the entity, the methods you want to create, and implement it in the remote Firebase repository implementation created in here, and simply implement them in the remote source implementation. And that's it. This clean architecture makes our life easier and boost our development process. So our model is successfully created, and now again go to the remote data source and let's continue this CreateReply method. So this will be reply model. Now import this and replace this total reply with the reply ID, and also select this comment, hold Alt J to select the corresponding and change it to reply, and this will be comment ID and this will be reply.reply ID, and the comment ID will also be comment ID, and this reply ID will be randomly generated by UUID package. And next thing here we have to do, try catch E, simply print some error occurred and print this E. That's it in the try block. First we have to do is go to the CreateReply method, copy this and come to the again CreateReply method, and this will be reply document reference, this will be reply collection, and document will be reply.replyid.get, and then we will check if the reply document ref not exist. So let's do reply collection dot document on the reply.replyid.set, and this will be new reply. That's it. And in the else condition we have to do copy this and paste it right here, call the update method just to complete this code, and this will not be executed, but if executed this will call the update directly. So that's it for creating the reply. We go to the reply collection and then create the new reply, access data from the reply entity, try get the document. If it's not exist, set it or means create it, else update it. That was it. Now for the delete reply, we also have to access to the reply collection, so we will paste it right here. This will be async as it is future. So in here we have to do try and catch E, open body, and paste this print statement from here. Now inside this try we have to do reply collection dot on document on reply dot reply id dot delete. That's it. Just call the delete method on the reply. And now for liking the reply, we only need the reply collection, make it asynchronous and paste this right here, and here we need the current user UID, so we will go for the like comment method and we will copy this from here, also this variable from here, and we will simply paste them in here. This will be current UID, this will be reply reference or document reference, this will be reply collection on the reply dot reply ID. We will get this, we will check if the reply reference exists, then we will do list of likes equal to reply ref dot get the specific fields of likes, and then we will check if the likes dot contains the current UID. Then we will do reply collection dot on document on the reply dot reply ID dot update. This will be mapped just because we are only updating the likes, so this will be likes and field value dot array remove. If it contains, this will be current UID, and in the else condition we have to copy this from here, paste it right here, only change the method from array union. Simply remove the data if contains, if not contains simply add it. That was it for the reply like reply, and now it's time to read the reply. So its feature, we are not going to make it asynchronous. First we need the reply collection, paste it right here, and then simply returns the reply collection dot snapshots, map the snapshot. This will give us, or map it like this, this will give us the query snapshot, and we will do query snapshot map string dynamic dot document. So this will give us the list of query document snapshot, and then we will map these list of queries document snapshot, and then this will give us this E, which is query document snapshot map string dynamic, and we will convert this to the dart object by calling the method reply model dot from snapshot and pass this E and convert it into list. So it will become the list of reply entity in the stream, and simply we will load it in our list view builder and will show them in the list. So that was it for the reading replies, and lastly for updating the reply we have to make it asynchronous because that's feature. And let's access the reply like this, and here we need one thing that was in the update comment. So we will copy this and here we will paste it. It will be reply info. We will check if, remove the body from here, this will be if the reply dot description is not equal to empty string, and if the reply dot description is not equal to null, simply do reply info description will becomes equal to reply dot description. That's it. Now after this, do reply collection dot on document on the reply dot reply ID dot update the reply info, and that's it. We have create our reply in here, access to the reply collection, and we have created the new reply model, access data from the reply entity. We get the document. If it does not exist, create it. If it exists, update it. And delete the reply, simply call the delete method on the reply ID, and simply like the reply. If the list of the reply contains the current UID, simply remove it. If it contains, if it do not contain, simply add it. If it contains, remove it. If it do not contain, simply add it. And in the read reply, we just read it, and in the update we just update this description field. When we call this, will update this description field, and this reply will be something like this in our Cloud Faster database. Let's go to the browser. First we have the post specific document, and in this specific document we have this comment collection, and inside this there can be all the comments of the specific post. So inside this specific comment document of this comment, inside this there will be another collection like this. Inside this, let's create a collection. Its name will be reply next, and there will be reply ID, its value will be, let's say, this, and auto generated. Save, and there will be just like this, the reply, and then the randomly generated ID on the UUID package, and there will be the data of the reply, like the reply ID, comment ID, post ID, and all the data like this as we have in the comment. So now let's delete this reply collection. This will be created from the code as we have write, and we will utilize these methods in the UI in the next video. So let's write reply and delete this, and like this there will be created the reply for reply collection for the specific document of the comment, and there will be all the replies of the specific comment. So that was it, the methods. We create the reply model in here, and we have implemented the methods for it. Now the task for you is just to create the Cubit in here, and also inject this in the injection container, and also utilize these methods in the UI. So that will be good. So that was it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, show some love in the comment section, and also let me know if something is not clear to you. So for now, goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.